Welcome to the CART EMR Lab video tutorial series. In this section, we will be going over the workflow for loading and checking a CNC program on the Nomad 883 using the GRBL Controller app. The first thing we need to do is download the program from Google Drive to the tablet. Tap the circle icon at the bottom center of the screen to minimize GRBL Controller. When the main home screen appears, you will tap the Google Drive icon, which should be located in the lower right of the screen. After the Google Drive app loads, tap the folder that is named after the tablet number you are using. This will navigate to the folder on Google Drive where an instructor should have loaded your program. When the contents of the folder are displayed, find your program and tap the three dots to the right of your file. The menu that appears will have a download option. Tap that to download your file to the local file system of the tablet. After your file has been downloaded, tap on the square icon at the bottom of the screen to switch back to GRBL Controller. Tap on the image of GRBL Controller app to switch back to its user interface. Tap the icon for the File Streaming and Overrides panel of the user interface. On the File Streaming and Overrides panel, tap the File Open icon located on the right side of the screen. When the File Load dialog appears, find your file in the list and tap it to load your program into memory. Once your program file is loaded, tap the Check button to put the system into check mode. The small toggle icon next to Check should change to green. This will allow GRBL Controller and the Nomad to perform a program check without actually activating the spindle or moving any of the axes. When your file is loaded and the check option is toggled, click the Play Pause button to perform the program checking. As the checking process is being performed, you will see the number to the right work towards the value on the left of the highlighted area. For short programs, this might happen very quickly. Longer programs may take a while to verify. If there are any problems with your program, you will get an error message. If this happens, do not proceed without getting an instructor involved. This wraps up the section on loading and checking your program on the Nomad CNC mill. Thank you and good luck.